So what I gotta fix is a wheel bearing issue going on. And then I got my ABS stuff that I still gotta fix. So everything's fine now, you know, it's not reading that it has any issues. But as soon as I start driving, hold on, let me show you what started happening. Oh, there we go. Well, whatever, the ABS shit's stupid. And then you gotta listen to this wheel bearing. This wheel bearing's out of pocket. Hold on. That's over there. That's the left-hand corner. Here, look at this turn. So yeah, we need to fix it. Today we are doing an oil change. We are doing new hubs in the front. We are going to quiet down my exhaust because it is touching the bottom of this frame thing. That's really annoying because it vibrates when the engine's at a certain RPM. Super annoying. And then we might lower the car a little bit. Alright, so I want to show you guys something. Your wheel's not supposed to move this much. Listen to this. Not supposed to happen. Alright guys, I need you to listen to this because this is not what this is supposed to sound like. That is the wheel hub moving. So when you're traveling 70 miles an hour and this shit's going side to side, this is what's fucking you up. Alright, you know what I mean? Pulling over the Z1. Ooh, ooh, that bitch is shiny. That bitch is shiny. Alright, we're good. And it's all oiled up and lubed up and everything. Look at that. Look, Z1 wasn't playing no games. Look, it's lubed up. Got the cover on that bitch. That bitch about to be smooth. Yeah, okay. Oh, shit. Oh, is it recorded still? Okay, so we finally got it off, but this bolt is still in there because something happened. So So updating what we got going on. We just did a oil change. We got the wheel bearings done. I kind of fixed the exhaust, kind of sort of like rigged it a little bit. Let me show you. Yeah, my issue was we had this little rubbing here, or this bumping, and like every time I had certain RPMs, it was just like this metal on metal was just bothering me. And then I had there's another issue right here. I got a little space thing going on and it just rubs, so I just gotta either get something to pull this over or find a hanger to actually put it in the way it's supposed to be. But for now, my fix is this. That actually came from Z1 to actually hold this exhaust up in the back and tuck it up, which would have helped. But this is for now. Yeah. Oh yeah, I didn't know I had this going on though. You know, the Z1 Flex. Oh man, but yeah, I did know.